This is the sixth part of the joining letters lesson. Our fifth group is the Crescent Bowl Family, made up of ayin and ghayn. These letters start above the line with the head like a small crescent bowl and finish with another wide and deep crescent bowl beneath the line. This family is famous for being very flexible because their shape looks completely different when used in a word. At the beginning, they lose their bigger bowl and keep the smaller bowl intact. While being the bridge, they completely close up into an upside down triangle loop, spreading the two hands out. And at the end, they keep their closed triangle head but bring back their big under the line crescent bowl with their left hand spread wide out. We differentiate them by the dot. Ayin has no dots and ghayn has a single dot above it. Now, let's pick some letters to see this transformation. Let's pick ayin, noon, and ba. Ayin is in the beginning, taking the leader position shape, losing its big lower bowl, and keeping only its small crescent bowl intact. Next is noon in the middle, taking the bridge position with its one dot on top. Ba is at the end, taking the finisher shape, stretching its right hand back to connect with the noon and showing its full boat shape. This word is inab. Inab means grapes. Now for the next word, we'll pick ayin, daal, alif, and ba. Ayin starts being the leader, keeping its small crescent bowl intact above the line and spreading its left hand out. Daal comes next, taking the finisher position to hold hands with ayin because it is a selfish letter, and hence it won't connect to the left, leaving a tiny gap. Because of this gap, alif has to start all alone in the isolated shape. Finally, ba. It sits at the very end, completely detached, standing alone in its full isolated shape. The word after joining looks like this. This word is adab. Adab means punishment. Now let's pick sheen, ayin, and ra. Sheen is in the beginning, will take the leader position with its three dots. Ayin is in the middle. It will take the bridge position, completely closing up into a sleek upside down triangular loop. Finally, ra will take the finisher position shape. The word after joining looks like this. This is shar. Shar means hair. And now let's pick dwaad, ba, and ayin. Dwaad starts in the leader position with its oval loop. Ba takes the bridge position in the middle. And ayin at the end will take the finisher position. Taking the finisher position, it will keep the closed triangle head and bring back its big crescent bowl. This is dwabu. Dwabu means hyena. Now let's pick ghayn, ra, vaw, and ba. Ghayn, being the leader, will keep the small crescent head above the line with a single dot on top. Ra comes next. Being a chain breaker, it will take the finisher shape, and hence the next letter vaw has to start after the gap, taking the isolated shape. Now vaw is also a selfish letter and won't connect to the left, leaving another gap. The final bar sits at the end all by itself in its full isolated shape. This word is ghurub. Ghurub means sunset. And now let's pick swaad, ghayn, ya, and ra. Swaad starts in the leader position with its oval loop and small tooth. Ghayn is the first letter in the middle. Being the bridge, it transforms into that closed upside down triangle loop with its one dot on top. Next ya is the another bridge, having its two dots underneath. Finally, ra at the end takes the finisher shape. The word after joining looks like this. This word is saghir. Saghir means small. The next family of the friendly letters is the round head family, which has fa and qaaf.